All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Robbie, Quinn's behind the camera, and this is... Oh, you're waving.
I was waving, yeah.
And this is Lineage Factory. So before y'all do anything else, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Costs you nothing, helps us out a ton. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a full cost breakdown on what it takes to build / own a 420 horsepower EVO 10 that looks like this. Yeah. Exactly like this. So let's just go ahead and get into it. First off, the car, all the taxes, tag and everything came out to be $18,205.
That ain't bad for an EVO, really.
Yeah, it's really not bad. This car is a rebuilt title, which kind of sucks. I didn't know about that when I purchased it. Not happy with the guy that I purchased it from. That's water on the bridge. Don't care about it now. $18,000 for the car, and then another whatever for taxes. So going to the exterior of the car, so I've got the Voltec style front lip, which cost me 200 bucks. I've got the EVO X rear wing, which cost me 150 bucks. I've got the JDC front bumper quick release that I absolutely love, and it loves me back. That costs me 120 bucks. I've got a Rexpeed carbon fiber hood scoop that was 250 bucks. Well, that's not on there anymore, but I used to have a rear duckbill eBay wing that we ripped off during the wrap video, so make sure to go check out the wrap video right there.
I don't even think that's in the video, we just ripped it off.
Well, there used to be a duckbill on this car, we ripped it off. You suffer casualties sometimes. It was from eBay, it cost like 40 bucks, whatever. So we've got the forged carbon wrap. It's 3M's forged carbon that is in super high gloss. I don't have exactly how many feet I needed, but regardless, I paid $300 for the wrap that I needed. Next, we have the KPMF blue black iridescent wrap, which for the entire car, I actually just bought an entire roll of that. It cost me 700 bucks. Then Avalon King ceramic coat, which this car and me is actually sponsored by Avalon King. So there will be a link down in the description to go save you a few bucks, pick it up. Ceramic coat. I mean, y'all should know what ceramic coat is by now. You pretty much don't have to wash your car. It's fantastic. So that usually costs 80 to 90 bucks. I got it for a little bit of discount because I'm sponsored by them. So total for the exterior is rounded to be about 1,800 bucks. The exact number will be up on the screen as you see here. Cool. So moving on to the interior of the car. We blacked out all the tan interior pieces, which cost us 50 bucks for, spray paint and everything, but we also did the headliner. We also did the Starlight headliner, which cost us 60 bucks. The SIGAV head unit, which was 510 bucks. JL audio speakers was 290. My K Project Katana shift knob was 40 bucks. The Torque Solutions short shifter was 150 bucks. Then I got an AEM wideband and an AEM boost gauge, which together those were $300 together, all said and done. So that brings the total cost for the interior pieces to $1,400 or $1,400. Holy crap, I've spent a lot of this car, and we're not into performance yet. So moving on to performance, the most hefty, as in, yeah, the most hefty prices. So first off, the Cobb access port was $500. The custom dyno tune from a shop that I'm not very happy with was 600 bucks. StopTech brake lines, $100. ID 1050X injectors, $520. Various oils and some small things, I just put $150. Spec Stage 2 Plus clutch was $650 with the spec aluminum flywheel, which was $430. So, about $1,100 for the whole clutch assembly. After that, I've got a Megan Racing turboback exhaust with an Amazon special 12-inch catalytic converter. And the two of those together was $1,100 too. Then we got a Forge Type RS recirculation valve, or the recirculation blow-off valve, which was $250. Get you all your cool turbo noises. Awesome. Highly recommend that, actually. That also helps with your torque numbers, just because it recirculates everything back in. So
For a recirc valve, it sounds really good.
yeah, it really does. I mean, y'all can kind of hear it on camera, but if you ever see this car in person, I'll probably rev it for you if you ask me. Or if you win the car, that'll be in a little bit. Or if you win the car, you'll be able to hear it. It sounds fantastic. So ETS intercooler, full setup was $1,300. Yes, that's a bit much for an intercooler setup. It's actually right at pretty much par for an intercooler setup, but it's, you know,
A nice one that's custom fitted to the car, not some universal crap.
yeah, exactly. It's exactly. And this comes with all the piping and everything. So $1,300 by ETS. They know their stuff. They know their stuff. You know, it is what it is, but it's good. The upgraded turbine for the stock turbo housing. I honestly don't know the exact number on this because the previous owner did it. With the research that I did, I found that it was, you know, around the $350 to $400 mark for just the upgraded turbine itself. Honestly, not bad. Again, get you a little bit of a spike in horsepower. It helps that torque because it spools super quickly now. I mean, this car spools at, you know, 3,200 RPM and it goes. You can ask anybody that's sat in the passenger seat, it'll put you back in your seat. After that, the car is sitting on Olin's coilovers. Olin's, you know, is a pretty pricey brand, but it's 2,500 bucks. Fantastic coilovers, not the greatest ride, but again, it's coilovers. So as far as coilovers go, I think it's, you know, a pretty good ride. So total for performance came out to be $8,450. Huh. Yeah, luckily, as I said, and if you go watch our walkthrough video of when I just purchased this car, a good bit of the engine work was already done to the car, so it kind of saved me some money. Yeah, I technically didn't build the engine, but whatever. So the total cost for all the parts came out to be $11,800 or somewhere in that range. I know my math is a bit off, but the exact number will be on the screen right here. Ouch. So with the car, with the parts, if you want to own an EVO that looks like this, that has the power like this, you're looking at about $30,000. As far as EVO money goes, that's actually not bad considering a 2014-15 final edition, completely bone stock, goes for about that much. So get yourself a, you know, 2008, 2002 through 2010 for, you know, around 20. This has 80,000 miles on it. It's not a bad purchase. It looks like an EVO, it drives like an EVO because it is an EVO. So yes, $30,000 not bad for the car.
Yeah, when you're really talking price performance, what's something new, you can't get around 30,000 as fast.
Yeah, no, this
Most of them as fast as that, you spend about 60.
yeah, if like Quinn said, in case you didn't hear him, if you're looking for something that's in today's market, just right off the lot, you're not going to be able to find something with this performance for probably less than $60,000. So with what you get with the car, yes, it's an EVO, it has a fantastic heritage and everything like that. I love the car. I absolutely love the car. It's been a dream car of mine to own for quite some time. I now own my vision of what my EVO wants to look like. And here we go. So with that being said, by the end of February next year, for 22222, if we hit 125,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel, we're gonna give this car away. All the rules will be down in the description below, so make sure you go to check out that, get yourself entered. Main thing is, well, the giveaway is free to enter. Just main thing, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Not hard. Could win you an EVO. Other than that, make sure to go check out lineagefactory.com. We have merchandise. We have everything from hats to hoodies to t-shirts. Everything is stupid comfortable. We'll pay a little bit more for the price so that you can enjoy what you wear. Other than that, guys, it's going to wrap up today's video. So thank you guys, and y'all stay original out there. See ya.